Hi, my name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you some very simple technique to find unread mails in Outlook 2016. But this method can also be used in Outlook 2013 if you are using an older version. So if you are someone who receives a lot of mails, like for example, you receive hundreds of mails daily or thousands of mails weekly, and you have some mails which you have read some like last week ago, and also in the same mails, and there are some mails which you have not read. So now, instead of you scrolling down to start finding mails which you have not read, I think it will be better to just apply some of the filter built in Outlook to find these mails which has not been read. So first of all, as you can see, we have here 8 unread mails. So if I click on under my inbox, I click the all and I select unread mails, and here it's going to give me all mails which has not been read. But now it's giving me all mails for the current mailbox. So I can decide to just select the current folder, and only the current folder mails will be selected. So, but I can decide also to, if I click on my inbox again, and here under the home tab, just go to under the find options, go to the filter email, click there and select unread mails. As you can see, it has applied some formulas, which is read, no, and here I can select the current mailbox, which is 10 mails. I can also decide to select the current folder, which of course I have here 8 mails. But also I can decide to just type read and say no. So it's going to search all my mails and it gives me about 9 mails. But I can also decide to select the current folder, just to select only for the current folder, which of course I have 8 mails in my inbox, and here as you can see I have 8 items. So but if you have a lot of folders, you can also apply the same rules to, like for example, I have a folder called Kelvin 1. I can decide to just type read and I say no, and it's telling me I have no mails there. But if I just click it away, and you can see I only have 1 unread mails. So I can decide to just move this mail to Kelvin. Now I have 2 mails in it, which of course one is unread mail and the other one is mails which I've already read. So let me apply the same formula. Just read now, and it's searching for the current folder. So it's going to search the folder to see if there is a mail in it. So now if you just look carefully, as you see, I only have 1 unread mail in my folder called Kelvin 1. So these are the methods you can use to search for mails which has not been read, which is called unread mails in Outlook 2016. Just as I said before, the method can also be applied to Outlook 2013. So thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question related to IT or Outlook, you can always send me a personal email to kejocomputers@gmail.com. Or please also don't forget to leave a comment if you think this video has helped you. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye.